Hey everybody, this is my reverse osmosis water filter from Costco. I do have two other filters under, a pH balance and also a pre-filter that goes then into the main filter. What I'm going to do right now is just some basic maintenance to see what we can do and what we need to upgrade. Here are the replacement filters, so let's check it out. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is just replace the filters. It's pretty quick and easy. You twist, pull down, and the filter comes out. There is some water on the filter, so just make sure you have somewhere to put that. As far as how long or how frequently you should replace them, there is a light on the faucet that indicates when they technically should be changed. But it depends on what you're actually going to use this for, at least in my opinion. I'll also include a picture as to the changing schedule or maintenance schedule for the filters. What I did though, I have a pre-filter installed. As you can see on there as well, it's a 4-stage reverse osmosis filtration system. It has a sediment filter, which is the yellow. The green one is basically the pre-carbon, and then the blue one is the reverse osmosis membrane. The one over here, the pink one I just removed, that one's actually the post-carbon. So it has two elements to control taste. Alright, so this is my pre-filter. This unit, I'm actually using it to pre-filter the water before it goes into the main reverse osmosis unit. There are some reviews on this unit online that say that the filter housing does leak, and it's true, it actually does leak, but I use Teflon tape to resolve that issue, so it's not a big deal. And again, you always want to have something to catch the water in. I know I didn't have it right there, but in a few seconds I'll remember, hey, this has a lot of water in it, and I'll put something down there, some editing magic right here. On top of that, I didn't have any bad experiences with this GE filtering system. It has 3 levels of filtration, well, 3 different filters you can actually put in it. You can put a basic sediment filter, which is just super basic. The yellow one I have in there, it's actually not only a sediment filter, but it also improves the taste of the water coming out of the unit. There is also a green level for this filtering system, which not only catches sediment, but also improves the taste. And then also on top of that, it prevents microbes from getting through into the main system. So that's the one I'm going to upgrade to eventually. Not this video, but maybe another video. Alright, so as you can see, that rubber O-ring right there, it's actually very well compressed. So I did put a lot of pressure on it. As you can see, that water came out a little bit orange. You can see the pH filter right there as well. But yeah, I mean, this filter did its job. It's actually filtering out the water. You can see the water quality coming into the actual unit itself. It's pretty bad. So a pre-filter is a very good idea, especially if you live in a place where the water quality isn't that good. Another good idea would be to maybe do the dishes, but you know, that's speculation at this point. But the main thing is that filter did do its job. So for it being G and having actually not pretty good reviews, I actually do like the unit. You can actually see where the water is coming in and where the water is leaving. So if that orange was on the other side, on the right hand side, we would know that filter was not doing its job at all. So like I said, I actually do like the unit. Alright, here you can see the sediment filter, which is stage 1, pre-carbon stage 2, post-carbon stage 4, the pH balance, and also the pre-filter. So these filters were all the ones that were replaced, at least today. Also, you can see here that I'm actually washing the housing itself. I do use a little bit of bleach in there, but then I properly rinse it out. I don't spray the O-ring, I just spray inside the container. So that's just to make sure it's clean. And then afterwards I dry it, then reinstall the filter. If you want to know more about the water filtering system, or even see me cut open the filters, comment down below, let me know. Other than that, this is just regular maintenance for my water filtering unit.